Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Y'all ready to eat? Oreo. Oh, careful. Try and get this water hose back over. After yesterday's shenanigans. Everybody doing good after the storm last night? Looks like everybody's here. I know it. Tell me all about it. All ready to eat. Back up. Phoenix, stop. Good morning. Everybody did good that storm last night. Hope everybody's okay. We do know a couple people who wasn't too fortunate. I think one of them lost their house after that bad storm. Just praying for everybody. Our babies made it through the night. They're all so pretty.
Oh, be nice. Be nice. You turd nugget. You know you can't go without being next to your freaking friend.
There you go, fat bullet.
And he's got separation anxiety when they're not together. How does that work? Why you do that to yourself? Makes no sense. Boo. Pretty girl. Don't you dump that bucket over. Don't you dump that bucket over. Put that pot down. Quit. Oh, you turd. Jeannie.
Half of it's on the ground.
Why you do that to yourself? Look, Grizzly's over there. Grizzly. Come on. Come on, Grizzly.
Did you eat the cats?
You already dumped it. Quit.
You better make her cat.
Grizzly!
I'm just playing, y'all.
Can't I go eat my uncle and my aunt's food that they throw out? As he always does.
He's just down there trying to steal some food.
Yep. Good boy. A freaking fly trying to mess with me. Good boy.